Hello everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day. So today I've cooked some scrambled eggs with cottage cheese, just to spice things up a little bit. Another healthy breakfast stroke lunch for me. So there's a cottage cheese gone in, Yorkshire cottage cheese. And a bit of gentle mixing, just to break up the eggs and combine everything together. Nice and easy. Bit of Kerrygold in the frying pan. Just going to move that around, make sure it's all coated nicely in the bottom so it doesn't stick. Not that it should stick because it's non-stick, but you know, why risk it? Adding the mixture, yeah. It doesn't look the best, to be honest, but you know, it tasted alright. It tasted fine. It tasted like a breakfast. Still soft enough, and yeah, it was alright. Different texture. There you go. Scrambled eggs, cottage cheese, lovely. Hope everyone enjoys their day today, and I'll catch up with you later or tomorrow. Bye bye now.